Doesn't matter. Get yourself some olive oil, extra virgin. Put some up in the pan. Roast beef au jus. Up. Worry about the counter. Let's get some onion up in here. Guide the knife with your finger. You'll lose a fucking thing. Guide the knife with your finger. Get rid of the root. Alright. You get Black Angus. That shit still has pink on it, man. Somewhere in there. I tell you, that's the nicest cut of fucking beef you'll ever fucking buy in your life. Anyway, we're gonna make us a nice roast beef concentrate, beef stock. Alright, we got that. So we take that, put that in the back of a stove, put some fucking heat onto it. Take a shot, put that much. 3 tablespoons, big fucking deal. I'm not using tap water today, baby. We're using fucking distilled. Alright. Now, you know me. Black pepper. Put the heat up on that. Black pepper. You want thyme in there. If you don't have thyme, the fuck you doing? It takes time to do this kind of stuff. So, that's what you got. Thyme leaves. Basic thyme. Now, I stress all the time, when you reach in for your thyme, bust the fucking shit up. Okay, let's just let that come up to steam. The onions are cooking very slowly. Pay attention, man. The cameraman's got a sort of bag. That's the stock with beef over water. Not water, it's distilled water, baby. Distilled water. Pay attention. Oh yeah. My man Kobe in the background. Alright, it's not French onion soup, I'm just spicing up the jus. The au jus, which is going to contain, we're going to hit that, we're going to put some crusty bread, and some Black Angus fucking beef. $5 worth of beef, man, sliced up a millimeter thick. I think it's about 8 slices there. We're going to kick this fucking shit around, man. Pay the fuck attention, because it's all happening now. Motherfucker. I got a goddamn weapon up in this motherfucking hizzo. Stock, thyme, some yellow onions, salt, pepper. I'm going to put some green onions in here. 2 of them. Some parsley. Told you we're going to hot this motherfucker up like a fucking race car. Ain't going to be no plain Jane, piss ass, some fucking sauce. This is jus. Jus. Up in the fucking hizzy. The real jus, Jack. And it's boiling like a motherfucker. That's going to seep and suck and fucking draw and take all the nutrition and the goodness out. Pardon me. And then we're going to get fucking things going real good. We're going to take that, run that through a strainer, put that into a dish, plate it up, and it's going to like fucking, man, I don't know, I don't know who requested it, I don't know who asked for it, but whoever it was, I'll see you in the comment box. I'll give you your recognition in the form of an annotation. Alright, that's good enough, man. We're just going to do a little bit. Hang on. Taste. Oh, man. This is better. Much better. Alright. Pay some attention. It happens. It happens. It happens. Oh, yeah. Move this over here. That's the au jus. Keep the camera away from the fucking gruffiness of my stove. Pardon me. Here comes a hot bun. I mean, that motherfucker's hot. Yo! I ain't sure that motherfucker's hot. Before we crack that motherfucker, baby, and you take that slice by slice, and you go this way with it. Into the juice pot. Sorry, that should have been up. It looks like it's in the sink. It's all fucking uncared for. Put some beef in there, man. Put some beef in there. Drop it in. Don't be shy. Don't be a fucking bum. Get some Angus beef and lay it down thick. Move it around like that. Keep moving it. Watch this. When she's all soaked up, she can do nothing but get fucking hot and good. That's gonna go there for 2 seconds. Pay attention. Pay attention. We over here now. We over here now. Cutting this motherfucker up. What am I gonna use with it? I'm fucking paring apple with that shit? Fuck out of here. Fuck's wrong with you anyway? Alright. Well, you don't want to talk, eh? You want to be fucking miserable. I get in there and fucking slice your guts open. Oh yeah. Swiss cheese, kiddies. Swiss cheese is ready, willing, and able. We're about to lay some of that shizzit down. Hey! Meat's good, meat's good, meat's good. You in on this? You in on this? That's loaded with fucking meat. That's your beef, a hot bun. Put some swizz on it. Some Swizzer. Alright. Then we're going to take that and drop that into a hot oven, which is hot already. We're going to get a cameraman to back out the way because he's always on top of things. Alright. Pay attention. There she goes, full of beef. Lay that down in a straight fucking jacket. I mean, straight up on a bun. There she goes. Let's put some light up on that. You know why? Because I got light. There we go. Alright, that's done. Yeah, 2 more seconds. You ever seen a steam whistle crack with pliers? Yeah, maybe you will now. Alright, we got parsley up in the house. There's your beef au jus. Do you have a problem with that? Don't talk to me. Talk to you. Let's coat that over. Oh yeah. That's sweet. That's fucking sweet. Put a fucking wrapper on that. Around to his house over here. Fuck out of my way. No time for this shizit. Alright. Now, I'm not going to hit it with this knife because this knife is only going to mush the motherfucker. I'm going to crack it. Alright, this is fucking sweet meat. Sweet meat. Woo. Whoa. Man. You. Alright. 2 slices up in the fucking house. What am I going to do with this, man? This is fucking... I mean, how do you do this proper? I guess I'm gonna leave it. I can't angulate the motherfucker. It's just fucking straight up goodness. Kobeba's a master. Alright, enough of that fucking business. Business. Let's hit this shizit. Look at how thick that motherfucker is, man. Can you get it tight on that, bro? Go slow, man. Let them see how thick that fucking cheese. Swiss cheese and fucking mizzy, that fucking meat, that Angus, black Angus fucking beef. Oh yeah. One more time.